You carry machete too. One go keep person. See, make I tell you, we don't keep person. You see that cricket? I don't go there, go spend 10 years. If you keep person, no, now there we go waste your life.
I no go suffer for this life. Train person, man, that person go carry am. You hear me? Okay. Heads go roll today. They go know who I be for this.
I go on. Is your.
Don't keep person, no. This I go suffer finish. Another person go carry am. When they do that one, heads go roll today. You must not dey play.
Hi. What is she doing inside? Omalicha, come now, come out. You know if this boy gets here now, it will be a different story. Hey!
I'm coming, no.
Hey!
Oh, she's coming.
Una, please, when you people get to the city, greet your parents for me. Huh?
All right, Mama, I will.
And Biko, take good care of my daughter. You know she's a good girl.
I know, Mama, and you know I love Omalisha, your daughter, so much, so...
Omalisha!
Mama, I'm here! I'm here, Mama.
You know if this boy comes here now, kata will bust.
Mama, Agum is not that toxic. Don't worry.
Yeah.
Sick.
I know you will defend him.
Let's go now.
No problem. Naba go do no. Naba na choro mo ku no ka. Hey. Banye
Ma, like I said, I'll take good care of her and we'll keep in touch.
Okay, I'm a he gave me din pa kebo. Ezigbo nwa. Start ya. Jabanu. Jabanu.
Mama Malika!
Chimo!
Mama Malika! Mama Malika! You are running, eh? You are running, eh, back! You are running! You are running! If you know where you have kept her, you better go and bring her back home. Because I will not live and watch another man enjoy my investment. I will stay here and wait for her. Unu check ammonium.
Hey! Ujide chekwa na mbiko. Hey, akomwa. Hey, noro dia. Noro.
Mama, man, it won't happen.
Agumwa has done so much for my mother and I. So I can't just forget him. Not like this. I know things are not the way I planned them. But I really love him.
You're
Baby,
so beautiful.
Why do you always flatter me?
I'm not flattering you, I'm telling you the truth. You know, I can do anything in this world to keep my love for you forever.
There he goes again. But I love you too. And God will continue to keep you forever. Nothing will happen to you.
Amen. I will take care of you. Anything you need, I will take care of your schooling. I will take care of your mother. I will do everything to the last, even buying your undies.
You don't even know my size. Stop.
Look at this one. Who's been going in there every night? They play.
I insist you do not know my size.
Don't worry until I show up with it. Now.
Are you sure? Don't tell me you're serious.
Look at this one. I'm serious now.
Oh, baby, thank you. Mama. Okay, Mama. See, before I go, I want to say thank you for everything you've been doing for me and my mother ever since my father died. Thank you for taking care of us.
Don't worry, I'll do more, okay? Go and answer Mama, let me continue. Alright.
Bye. Mama, I'm coming!
Mama! Nani, thank you. Thank you for what you have been doing for my daughter and I. May my God bless you. Yes. Okay, I don't have appetite. I will try and eat because of you. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, yeah, ready to go. Mama, you want to lie there again? You just told him that you will eat.
Oh, I told you I don't have appetite.
Mama, so I will suffer myself and cook under hot sun, and you don't want to eat the food. I don't know. Have you forgotten that you need to take your drugs? Besides, when we go to the clinic later, what will you tell the doctor? You need to eat, oh, Mama. Or do you want me to call one back and let me even call him? Let me tell him.
Don't worry.
So will you eat?
I will eat small.
No problem. Do you want to come inside or do you want me to bring it here?
Anyone you want to do.
Okay, let me not stress you. Just relax. Let me go and get the food for you, okay?
Okay.
Mama, you eat it too.
Yes,
come in.
Small.
Madam, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
This watermelon.
Okay.
And one pineapple. How much be watermelon?
1.5.
Last now.
I have been 1.2.
1.2 last. This one,
Same price. My same price.
Okay, I go take 2 of them. Make I go bring the money in the evening.
Oh, yes, please.
Madam,
which kind of rubbish be that one?
I said I go bring the money in the evening. I know they buy you something before.
No buy. Oh, I know they sell crazy. Even the people that are owing me, I don't even know them till now. Oh, they go next.
But they buy you something before, they pay you your money now.
And so?
You know what say give me?
I know they sell credit. I know sell. Oh, they go next time.
Oh yeah, now make her they go.
You don't get money, but you have money to last.
Wait till you talk.
What?
No, talk that thing when you talk. You think I don't hear what you talk.
You want beat me?
Wait till you talk now.
You want beat me?
No, insult me because I come buy food for something for you.
Beat me.
If you provoke me, madam, you don't go like him.
I said beat me.
Make her beat you now, man. Make her beat you, eh?
Beat me. Beat me. On top of the credit you want buy. Now you want come beat me for my shop.
Now let you they say you don't know they even fresh like other people.
Oh, you know they fresh, but you want come buy them. Rubbish. Go and know they sell credit.
You eh?
Go.
Okay.
Go. Credit man.
Hello, Bim. The deadline is fast approaching. I don't know what else to do. Thank you. Thank you, Obi. Thank you so much. You just lifted a huge weight off my shoulder. Thank you. May God bless you. Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye. God, please just bless him for my sake. He passes through so much because of me. God, please continue to keep him safe for me. And Obim, don't worry. I promise I will love you forever. Nothing will ever happen to our love. In fact, may I die the day I look at another man. Yeah!
Omalicham, what is wrong? Your face is not looking good.
Obi, it's 2 days left and I haven't even...
The deadline, Abi. I understand and I'm doing everything possible. Don't worry, you will not miss it. See, this is 13,000 from the jobs that I have done. Hold it. Mazindoka, I worked for him, he's owing me 7,000. I said I should come and collect it this evening. So right from his house, I'll bring it straight to you. So you can settle, you don't have any problem. You know you are the only thing I have in this world now.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
I appreciate all that I've done without you.
This is just the beginning, you know.
Thank you.
Don't worry, come. Once you finish school, I will buy drink and come and meet your people so I can do the traditional marriage.
Even if you don't bring drink, I don't mind.
There's no way I will not bring drink. You want people to laugh at you?
No.
I will not let anybody. I will do everything they are doing. You will do your traditional marriage. You will dance.
Very well.
With your big girls. Don't worry, okay? Omalicham,
Babe.
you are the best thing that has happened to me.
Oh, you are the best thing that has happened to me.
Omalicha, you mean Agunwa gave you money for the registration?
Ha! I'm speechless, so. Hey, I was surprised. Agunwa, he's such a true and genuine man. And I love him so much.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
But have you asked him or do you know the reason why he's doing all this?
I don't understand.
Omalicha, will you want to spend the rest of your life with Agunwa?
What kind of question is that one now? Here, who's talking about marriage? I've not even entered into the university. I'm talking about marriage. You will wait until I graduate from school first. But as for Agunwa, I love him. And I'm ready to spend the rest of my life with him.
Clean your mind.
What's
God
that?
forbid. I reject it for my enemy. Talk more of my friend.
God forbid. What's that now? I love him and that's what counts. And yes, I want to spend the rest of my life with him. Is it your life? It's not my life.
Omalicha. Well, I reserve my comment for now.
If you like, comment your reserve for now.
Agunwa.
Yes, my Agu. My investment, as he fondly calls me. So, just try and get love small.
I don't blame you. If Agunwa is the kind of love you're talking about, I reject it 100 times.
That's your business. You don't even get a good man like him in the first place. What's that?
Me. Me. Roots of life. Root of life. You don't know. Well, so have you registered?
Yes, I have. You know, I'm just reading 1 or 2. You know now, the effort you put into all of this, man. I'm just trying so that I'll use it judiciously. Because it's a lot. I know what he had to go through, all the sacrifices he made just for me to, you know, feel like he wasted his time and energy on me. So I want to try and make him happy always.
Okay. Who is Agunwa? Answer me now. Agunwa's wife to be. Okay. Please climb and bring Govales.
What's the meaning of that? Oh, babe. You've been an inspiration to me. A shoulder I lean on whenever I'm down. What more can I ask for? And I bless the day the heavens brought you into my life. Your voice in my life can never be silenced. No way! Ha! God forbid, I curse the day that I will leave you. I will never ever leave you for another man. Of course, we'll be together forever. Oh, my love, thank you so much for the form. I've gotten it. I finally got it today, yes.
I won't disappoint you, I promise. I love you, love you, love you, love you too. No, Mama is not here with me. I'm the only one here. And I'm telling you I love you, Mama is here. Okay. Alright. I love you too, Obi.
Now, can you not call this thing? No, they talk like this now. Now, why I say you're crazy? Huh? We made a bet now. And Manchester United lost. So you have to pay me. You talk say if Manchester win, I go pay you. If Tottenham win, you go pay me. Eventually they play draw, nobody win. You see what make I pay you money? Oga, Manchester, the best that if Manchester United win, they no win. You're supposed to pay me like now. Say this beer where you drink from Madame Ikeba, don't they disturb your head? See, you must give me my money now. What is this one now? I'll give you your money. Now. Because I win now. You see, I don't want this is your problem. Give me my money. I'm not losing your money. I'm not. You must give my money. Who gives your money? Eh? It's like, yeah, I was giving my money. Yeah, you got this boy, yo. Yeah, with this boy, yo. Yeah, with this boy, yo. Yeah, with this boy, yo. It's okay. Yeah, with this boy, yo. I make it back. Yeah, my money.
It's okay now. You people don't pass this thing where they do now. I don't understand. Eh? How you people fighting?
Me and you make them.
I'm that.
I talk to me, man. You make them. Tell boss says they have. You make them. Now, okay. Come on, no working now. I'm now, okay, I'm here. Guy, but you want more of now. I don't want. You don't make them. You want to see you. One head. One is him. I go tell him no. One is him. I go tell. I go back. You make them.
Give me now. Give me.
Mama, no. You need to beg too much.
Oh yeah, give me. It's me.
Mama, no.
Okay.
Oh yeah, cake.
Give me.
You cannot say no.
So, what I was saying, when you get to this university, you are going to go to. When you get there, please, I want you to keep your book. You know how long it took Agunwa to save up this money that he gave you to buy this phone? Because do not fail him. And don't fail me too, your mother.
Mama. No, you're here preaching heaven and earth. You wait first. Let me enter into the university first. I'm not even written the exam. I already preaching. If I now manage to not pass the exam, what will not happen? You bring both Pope and everybody to come and talk to me.
I know why I'm saying this.
Mama, why?
You know I never had the opportunity of furthering my education. You that has seen someone who is ready to train you up to university level. Biko, don't play with it. I know that you will see boys there. They will even come to distract you. But Biko, Biko, know why you are there. Remember where you're coming from.
What is this about men? Why do you think I would just... So you don't even trust me again, me, your daughter. So you think all I would do in this life is when I just get to invest in bar, just be seeing all the men and calling all of them. One man will I see that will beat Agunwa? I don't understand. Mama, please. It's me plus Agunwa. Omalicha, Agunwa, together forever. Yes, no limit transfer.
I believe you. I believe you.
Better believe it. Nothing will ever happen to the bottom.
Mama Molcha, you need to come and see. Agunwa wants to kill Aguba. Omalisha, you need to come and stop your boyfriend before he kills somebody.
Hey!
You need to come and stop your boyfriend.
What is wrong with Agunwa Biko? Hi!
Help him. Here. Obi, you promised not to fight anymore. Why did you fight on the streets again?
Did you expect me to allow him insult you and Mama like that?
Baby, I know you love me so much, but at times you need to let some certain things go.
No, not this kind of one. How can he insult you and Mama like that? Because of what?
Okay, what led to the fight? What happened?
It was because of the money me and him bet over the match that played today.
Okay.
And nobody won it. He's now insisting I'll give him my own money. I said no, and he began to insult you and Mama. Who they do that kind of thing?
Oh, well, I understand, but you should know the kind of person Aguba is, right? He is a village gossip, a local one at that.
Baby, I know, but
you don't have to stoop so low. Look at you. See how roughened you are. Eh? Look, see. This thing will swell tomorrow. Eh, baby? At times you just let all these things slide, please. Eh? You don't have to fight anymore. Promise me you won't fight again.
I will not allow him insult you.
Yes, but he will. Baby, please now.
It's okay. I will not fight again. I promise you.
I know you've exhausted a lot of calories fighting. So let me go back inside and prepare something for you.
Omale Cham. My investment.
I know.
Hey! I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Because of you now, my anger have come.
I know. That's what I'm here for.
Dog.
I beg, I need a painkiller and pad.
Pad?
Do quick now.
What for?
Just it is important, I beg.
You know that the last one that you bought, you are still owing me.
I know. I will bring you that money this evening. I promise you. But this one is important now, I beg.
No, I can't.
Nah, me, I dey beg you this thing. I said I will bring you the money. Oh, okay, take my phone as collateral. If I bring the money, give me back.
I go. There's nothing valuable that you are holding.
I beg.
There's nothing valuable.
I beg. This is very important. I beg.
Okay, you know what will happen. I will go for the phone.
Okay, thank you.
I'm coming.
Thank you.
Ago, this is the pad that you asked for.
Put it inside.
And this is the drugs that you asked for.
Thank you. I'll come back this evening, I beg, please.
I don't play with my money.
Don't sell my phone, no, please.
I will not sell it, but bring my money.
Baby. How are you feeling now?
I'm feeling pain.
Are you serious?
No.
Don't worry, I got the legs.
How about the pad? Did you get it?
Yes, I got it also. I get it.
Obi, no! What are you doing?
I want it.
No. Thank you. I'll just go inside, clean up, then you use it.
Can I come with you?
No, babe. No, you can't come with me. I'll clean up, then I'll come back out, okay? I love you.
I love you too. Should in case you need anything, shout. Oh.
I love you, baby. Ahead.
Okay.
Silver and gold, I know get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, you, baby. Mo, carry me there, go. My lover.
Baby, are you okay?
I go do anything.
Omalita, are you okay? Who is this one now? Hello?
Agunwa, it be like say you don't dey play with your work, abi?
Supervisor, sorry, Oga, sorry. I get family emergency, and carry me come out, but I go come back soon. You
dey mad. So if to say I no give you that money, may you go collect that phone. You for the cry for road the waka. I don't give you money, may you go collect phone now. You don't dey there, you don't come up for work since. And unless I want to pay you,
I mean you dey tell whether they mad.
Yeah?
I tell you say I get emergency come out, go do one thing. Now you dey install, you dey crazy. Why you go dey talk to me like that? What did they worry? Your head correct like this? Don't they try am because of 1 year work? How much they pay me?
Agunwa, you get mad, they shout follow me, they tell me say they mad. If I ever see you near my site again, I go arrest you. You be idiot. Come on for my phone.
How about the one? Okay. This man got phone for me.
Baby.
Baby.
What is it? I heard you shouting on the phone. Where are you shouting at?
It's not that foolish supervisor. Because I told him I came to see you to attend to family emergency. He sacked me on the phone.
Oh my God. That means it's serious.
Don't worry, baby. Don't worry, okay? I will get another job. Are you okay now?
I'm getting better.
Eh.
You know what? Let me just go in and prepare something for you to eat.
No, prepare dinner for who to who?
Why?
You will sit down here and collect fresh air. I will be the one that will go inside and prepare something for you to eat. Inugo?
Are you sure?
Don't worry. Sit your pretty self down.
Okay.
Omalicha Beke. Let me go and prepare it. I'll be back.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
Mama, please now, calm down. Mama, sorry. Mama, please get away from me now, Mama. Don't. Mama, sorry. Mama, it's okay.
Is my medicine remaining?
Mama, no, I gave you the last one earlier. Mama, please, you have to get well now. Get well, you have to help yourself. Mama, please don't do this to me now. Why are you doing like this? Mama,
please call Agunwa for me. Mama, I don't know how I'm feeling.
Mama, can you stop? What will Agunwa do for you again? Now you have tried his best now.
I'm feeling hot and cold.
If she knows that Mama is still sick, he will come.
Please call him.
Okay, Mama is fine. I'll come for you, okay? Rose, please hold her head for me. Mama, please, you have to get well for me, Mama. Please, just get well. Rose, please take your mother. Just rush and go and meet him. Yes, I will. Mama, now. She'll be fine. Go. Okay. Mama, I'm coming, eh? Let me call him, oh. Please. Mama, please, careful, Mama. Yes, I am going, oh. Mama, please, I'm coming, oh. Mama, I'm coming. Stop saying that you're dying. You're not going to die. I'm not dying. I don't want to die. You will not die. I can't leave my daughter. Stop it now. Then get better. Fight it. Tell the sickness that you want to get better. Mama will be fine. Why are you still making face? My dear, I'm just tired. I'm tired of these ailments today, in and out. I'm just so exhausted. But I want to thank you. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. I also want you to help me thank Obim. I don't know what I would do without him. My Obim has saved my life so many times. He's been of so much help to my mother and I. But I have a little problem. My mother's surgery. The doctor says that he needs to operate on her abdomen immediately. But I don't have any money saved anywhere. Like I just said, Obim has done so much for me and my mother. I can't even bring myself to asking him for help anymore. Will he kill himself simply because he loves me? Where am I going to get this money from? At this point, I am so confused. My head is going in circles. I just wish I don't know. I don't know what I wish for at the moment. I really don't know. I'm tired. Oh, manager, why are you bothering yourself? But he told you have some savings that he will bring that will help. So why are you bothering yourself? Ruth, because he has some savings left, I should also take that one from him. You're not forcing him now. He's doing it willingly. Are you forcing him? You're not forcing him. He's just doing it because he loves you. So accept it. Anyway, thank you for helping me look after Mama. You're also a lifesaver. I mean, who would I leave her with? What would I do if you're not here with me? Why are you thanking me? Are you not my sister and is Mama not my mother? I've told you to stop thanking me whenever I do something for you. I'm doing it for my sister and I'm doing it for my mother. Though we do not share the same blood, but I see you as my sister and Mama as my mother. So stop thanking me each time I do something for you. Promise. Okay, you're my sister. Let's go.
Mama. Mama. You remember everything.
Mama.
Please. Remember where you're coming from. Please. Do not disappoint me. And I know when you get there, study hard. Omalicha Biko, don't bring shame onto me. Study hard. Remember your roots. Remember where you're coming from. Ruth, you too. Both of you should study hard. Remember the way your mother raised you.
Yes, Mama.
Look after your sister. Both of you should be each other's eyes and ears.
Mama, no one is fighting war now.
I know what I'm saying. And if you see her with any man, don't hesitate to tell me.
Mama. Very well. Which one is man again? Okay, how will you know if I'm with a man now?
You forgot that Mama is spiritual sometimes.
What kind of spiritual? I'm a boy.
You people, you don't even have any reason to fail. You know that.
Mama.
Remember, Agunwa is involved.
I know.
You cannot fail us.
Mama, I've heard you. I will take care of myself and I will read her.
Please do that.
Thank you very much. Mama, please, we have to go now. You know it's getting late, so that we'll go to the park quickly.
I thought Agunwa was supposed to come and see you off to the park.
Yes, Mama, he was supposed to, but I don't want to bother him. You can see it's getting late and it's a really long journey. So and besides, we are not even kids that will say, okay, must escort us to the park. Oh yeah, gossiper of the year. Talk of the devil.
Hey! Agamo in the making. Yanina. Hey! Yanina.
Don't worry.
Agumwa.
You're set to go,
Yes.
Mama.
I said the forum.
I'm back from here. You're set to go.
Yes, I am.
But I told you to wait for me to bring you some items.
I know, I didn't want to bother you. Besides, you've done enough for us already.
Ose bother. Look at this one.
See, you people, the way you do this, your love, you just remind me as I used to do in those days with my Okoro Baba.
Mama, who is Okoro Baba?
I'm of love.
Mama,
leave us to use your Okoro Baba. It's past.
Omalicha, remember what I said. Omalicha, don't go there and follow man.
You heard what Mama said, though. Don't go there and follow man, no. Biko kwa.
So you don't trust me?
Biko kwa. I'm repeating what Mama said.
Oh, really? Okay, fine, I've heard. I will not follow man. I will study very hard.
Amen.
I'll make sure I pass on by exam.
Amen.
Are you satisfied, Mama?
Yes.
Can we leave now? It's late.
Let's go. Mama, let me see them off to the park.
Okay.
Ogene. What do you want to do? You want to spoil your skin? No, don't worry.
Thank you.
Mama, let's go.
Is it only me that will be in this?
Mama, don't worry now. When they have vacation, she'll come and see you.
I'll be coming for you. Yes, I'll be
But anything you need, Mama, as long as I'm in this village, let me know. I'll bring it for you.
Don't worry.
You know, go.
Take care.
Thank
you. Mama, bye-bye.
My investment.
Mama.
Don't worry.
Mama.
Don't worry. Rabia.
Mama, take care. So don't worry. I will send message across. Bye-bye, Mama. Let me hurry up. Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. No.
Listen, babe, it's okay, alright? I mean, all those are in the past now. If you ask me, well, I'll say he tried. Yeah, I admit he tried. But come on. That is what every man will do for a woman he loves. Okay? Like I said, that's in the past now. I'm here. Okay, I'm willing to double everything. I mean, whatever you think he did for you and for Mama. I promise you that. I mean, you can't possibly decide to spend the rest of your life with a poor man, a wretched man, a man whose future is not even defined.
You still don't understand that he did so much for me. And I made him that promise. I promised him that I was going to love him. I will stay with him through thick and thin.
Come on, babe. And who said I was going to leave you for another woman? I'm here. Listen, just follow me. Okay? Follow me and I'll make sure you enjoy all the beautiful things of this world, just as beautiful as you are. Alright? I will ensure you lack nothing.
It's not as easy as you think. He was genuinely nice to me. I can't just... You want me to pay him back with this? I don't think it's fair.
Babe, come on. Alright? I mean, like I said, all these are in the past now. Everything he did for you, bygone, I'm here. Okay. You're a good woman. Okay? I know things were not going as planned, but I need you to understand that you deserve the best. I'm here to make sure you enjoy every good thing of life. Everything. Listen, my dad owns cars, mansions, companies, you name them, all over the world, everywhere you can think of. Alright, look, I just want to bring you into a world of riches and affluence. I know you want that, babe. Because I know every woman in her right senses would want that. You're a good woman. You deserve the best. I want to make sure that you lack nothing. I'll provide everything for you. Alright? I mean, ending up with that gun will only bring you pain, sorrow, misery. Of course you wouldn't want that.
And I hope to God I'm not making the biggest mistake right now.
Come on, babe. Stop saying that, please. You're not. You're not making any mistake. You only chose the best part of life. Alright? You chose riches, happiness, peace. Okay? Alright, you know what? I can go beyond my limit, okay? Just to make you happy. You know, I can, you know, get him a job just so he can better his miserable life. That's if you want that, though. Yeah, that reminds me. Babe, I'm thinking, you know, maybe, I'm just thinking, you work for me. I mean, you work in my company and I'll pay you. I'll pay you for all your services.
Wow. If I indeed decide to work, I'd rather work for your father.
Why?
Nothing, I just...
Listen, babe. Whether you choose to work for you or my father, I'm okay, I'm fine. I just want you to be happy. Okay?
Thank you.
Look at me. I love you.
Thank you.
Just share, okay?
Over my dead body, I will suffer and another man will reap my investment. Over my dead body, I don't let her happen. Omalita is mine and she must be mine. She's my investment. Nobody will take her away from me.
Agunwa. Agu, what is happening? Are you sleeping? Agu.
Agu, what are you looking for?
Take it easy now, eh?
What are you looking for?
Calm down, Agu. Butu, I came in peace. Eh? I came to sympathize with you now. You know you are my guy. Eh?
To sympathize with me over what?
Over what happened now? We both know that she's in a good place now. So calm down. Eh? Hey, calm down, calm down.
Agoba, so you walked all the way from your house to my place to come and insult me?
No. No, I came in peace now. You know you are my guy. Eh? My guy, Aguma.
I will use you to vent my frustrations. You for wait for me, make sure I go use your head to do this afternoon. Idiot. You carry yourself, come my house, come insult me. Make us see you there. Nobody will take Omalicha from me. Not while I'm alive. Nobody could do it.
I never see this coming. Never see this coming. This is too much on me. This is too much on me.
I thought you ordered for something.
No, I didn't.
Why? Hey, listen. You have to eat something, okay? You're not eating anything since you got here.
I'm not hungry.
And why would you say that? Babe, look, I won't let you starve yourself. You need to eat something. Please.
Can you just please stop? When I feel the pangs of hunger, I'll definitely order something. Okay?
Listen, babe. I understand, okay? I understand that sometimes it's difficult to let go of the one we love. Alright? But what we don't understand is that God might be planning something beautiful entirely for you. You know? Listen, I promise you, from today henceforth, I will be at your beck and call. I will provide you with everything you need, everything you deserve. Love, money, time, affection. Alright? Look, sometimes in life, the mistakes we make turns out to be our biggest blessings, you know? You left Agua because Grace found you. I promise, you will not regret moving in with me. And as for Mama, as soon as we get married, I'll fly her abroad to make sure she gets the best of treatment from the best doctors. Alright? You will not regret this. Just do this with me, baby. Please.
This is too much on me. This is too much on me.
You are the cause of this thing. You are the cause of all this pain and misery. You are the cause. I will kill you any day I set my eyes on you.
Honey, what is going on? Huh? It's past midnight.
But I know he will come back.
You know he will come back?
Yes. Just calm down. Come.
So, what made you so sure that he will come back? Look, your
I've been trying to call his numbers, but they are not reachable. But I know he will come back. That's all we come.
Listen, woman. Your body language is telling me that you know something. Please, spew it out. What do you know that I don't know?
Yes. Yes. Hey, I remember that he said he will be going to the village to pick Omalija.
Omalija?
Yes.
Who is Omalija?
Omalija is that young girl he wants to get married. Hey, it may be that he has gotten into a fight with that mad boy. Hey, good. Oh, good.
Honey,
please, protect my son.
What mad boy are you talking about? Young man, mad boy, who is that?
I'm sorry, please. I didn't tell you about it because I know you'll be mad at me. But I'm sure that he'll come back. God.
No. Things have been happening and you kept them away from me?
Sorry.
Ha! You did this one. You better find my son.
Am I not about to make the biggest mistake of my life? Who will I run to for advice? My mother has already consented with the plans to marry J-Boy. Ruth, on the other hand, is not even in the best position to proffer any solution because her mind has been beclouded with the idea of settling with a rich man. What a world. Obi, I'm so sorry for betraying our love and friendship. I honestly love you, Agu. But right now, J-Boy, he has been confessing his profound love for me ever since I met him, showering me with all kinds of gifts. He's even promised me a good job, flying Mama to the best hospital in the world, which has always been my dream. Dear God, can you show me a sign, please? I need help at this point. Agu is a kind man, but J-Boy...
But wait, though, my child. That guy really loves you.
What do you mean?
I mean, Jay.
In case you've forgotten, I'm still dating Aguma. And we'll remain that way and probably get married if destiny chooses us.
You know, this is an opportunity for you. Aguma has paid his dues. You're in school. Aguma is not here. He's not monitoring you. This is an opportunity for you to explore. That guy is the biggest guy in campus here. Does Aguma have that kind of car?
Well, I'm not interested.
Omanicha, you love Aguma. Yes. But you know you can be dating Aguma and be dating Jay. Since Aguma does not have money, you'll be dating Aguma for love and be dating Jay for money. You collect money from Jay and give to Aguma. He will appreciate it though.
Are you okay? Are you? Like, seriously, Ruth? Well, I'm not interested. You know what? I trust Aguma. He will definitely bounce back. It's not money. Someday pretty soon, I trust him. He will bounce back.
Bounce back? What do you mean by bounce back? Aguma was never rich before now. Bounce back is for people that are rich. Aguma is a poor man and he will still remain a poor man. So what's he bouncing back to? See, accept Jay and accept new things. The kind of men you want is the ones that will shower you with love, gifts like cars, or not the one that will be carrying Gary on their head. Amalicha, I came to give you Gary. Or the ones that will be fighting people in the village because of you. That's not the kind of gifts we're talking. We're talking about money, cars. Expect go to Dubai. If you travel, will your village people run away?
FYI, Aguma has been catering for me in case you haven't noticed. Yes, I like him because he carries the Gary, carries the rice, he fights for me. He does of it. That's what it means to care for someone and care about someone. And from the same Gary, you've been dragging in this room every time. You be looking for meek, all those things. It's not from the same Gary Aguma.
Now I'm managing. So it's Gary that you eat all your life. It's Gary that you want to be eating all your life.
Please, I love my Aguma. And nothing in this world will tear us apart. We'll remain together forever.
You get it. If it's Gary that is making me fresh, I will go and punch. My friend, do you know if I like Jay, it's Jay, pick it. Pick it now.
Last time I checked, Aguma bought this phone for me. He didn't buy it for us. So I decide who to take calls from, when to take my calls, how I take my calls. It is none of your business, okay?
Is this phone, this Pasala? Let me tell you, this is not phone. This is a pass my neighbor Nokia Touch. When you call phone, you'll be calling like iPhone 15, iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12. Not Samsung, no, this Tecno sharp phone. Not this I pass my neighbor iPhone, the Nokia Touch is what you're calling phone. Pick it though. Hi, Jay, good evening.
Where is Omalicha? Is she not with her phone?
Oh, she's taking her bath.
Oh, it's fine. I just wanted to know when she's free so we can grab lunch, you know?
Yes, she can go for lunch, yes.
But my fear is if she will not go with me. You know how hard she can be sometimes.
What are you doing?
Yes, she will accept. She's not doing anything. Once she comes back from the bathroom, I'll tell her. She'll just send the venue. She'll come and meet you. Okay, Jay, don't forget to give Omalicha something to bring for me. Something like shawarma, turkey or chicken.
All right.
Thank you very much.
What was that for?
When you heard me, I said you're taking your bath. So please enter that bathroom, take your bath, wear your clothes and come and start going.
Are you mad? I'm not going anywhere.
Mad and pushing you to good thing. Mad and pushing you out from poverty to wealth.
Ruth, since you're this desperate about wealth, why don't you just go in there, take your bath, get dressed and go on a date instead, because I am not interested.
Makachuku, let me tell you something. If you say I get eye for J, I for don't go by. If I through the corners, I for don't go says. See you, this say na be at the look. And because of say I don't like him. If you say I like him, I for don't go behind you, go run him.
Come on, don't you think it would be a very good match? Both of you, couple of the year. You're very much single, and from the look of things, is pretty much desperate. So that's right there. Couple of the year. What do you think?
You know you're missing something. See big opportunity that is standing in front of you knocking. You just for you to open door that is not even locked. Just open door and the opportunity will come. You don't want. You want to go and die with Agunwa.
Not interested, okay? If you want to go on the date, be my guest. As for me, I'm just gonna stay here and take a pretty good nap.
It's not going to happen.
And have fun.
See, better go and bring my shawarma and my district. Look, I'm joking with you. Auntie, come and go and bring my shawarma.
Roots, I have not beaten
you. Yeah, I will beat you. Go and bring my shawarma.
You want to come here, right?
You
know, I think I should just call Agunwa. I think that's better.
I do what? Okay. And come and fight the entire school because of you. You think this place is village? This place is not village, this is city. Go and bring my shawarma, my friend. See, I've told you
what is this? Now leave me alone.
I told you that you're coming. Go and bring my shawarma.
Coordinator!
I don't get money to pay. I don't get money to pay. You go pay for me.
Coordinator!
You go pay for me.
Silver and gold, I no get you, baby. What I get in a genuine love, I go do anything for your sake, you, baby. Mo, carry me there, go. Mama, my lover, I go do anything for you. I go do anything for you, Mama, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover. My lover. I go do anything for you. You're my world. Investment. People come and see my world. My world. Investment. My lollipop. I don't want to lose you, my dear. Nothing can come in between us. I love you beyond anything, baby, more. I love to see you happy, love you more. If I lose you, my dear, I will run mad, yo. From here till you see them, I go do anything for you, my lover. I go do anything for you. I go do anything for my lover, my lover. I go do anything for you. You're my world. Investment. Come and see. The most beautiful. My world. Investment. We shall be together till the end of the time. No one can take you away from me. You are my happiness. You are my joy. I thank the heaven for bringing you to me. You are my inspiration. You
Thank you.
Come on, man. What is this? Thank you. I've told you to stop thanking me.
Thank you.
Listen, I love you, okay? I love you so much. I mean, you are the best thing that ever happened to me. And I'm certain that my parents will be super excited with my choice.
Well, I think we should take it slow for now. I mean, let's not make our intentions known to them yet.
Come on, babe. Why? I mean, why would you say that? Look, Monica, I want to marry you, okay? I want to spend the rest of my life with you. As a matter of fact, I want you to be the mother of my children. I mean, you're beautiful.
Well,
you are awesome in all ramifications, babe. I can't stand another one taking you away from me.
Well, I don't think we should be discussing about marriage for now. I feel like we should get done with school first. So I'm just saying that we should take it slow for now. I don't know.
Alright, it's okay, no problem. I won't defy your decision, okay? It's okay, it's fine.
Thank you.
I'll give you the time.
Can you concentrate on when you're driving?
With you, I cannot concentrate. So, babe, I forgot to ask you, what's your favorite color?
Any color?
Any color.
Sure.
You're just like my mother. She loves any color. And to think that you guys have some similarities, you know? And to think of that you and my mom actually have some similarities, you know? I'm sure she will definitely accept you when she gets to meet you in person, you know? I feel that so much about you.
Thanks. That's nice.
So, is it a yes? So we're going to see her this weekend?
No, actually I have lectures, I'm sorry.
You have lectures on weekends? I don't understand.
Actually, yeah, I mean, there's some lecturers who do not come during weekdays. They just give us the course outline and give us some test books to, you know, make it up during the weekends. And it's just like filler courses, if you know what I mean. Like that's why I have to go for lectures during the weekends.
Alright, so when do you suggest? When do you feel we should go and see her?
Next week perhaps.
Come on, next week.
Yeah, next week.
Dude, that's kind of far. Alright, it's okay. I'm okay. Your wishes might come out, so let's do it then. Please don't disappoint me this time.
I'll try. I mean, no, yeah, I won't.
Alright. So how about if let's see it?
Well, Mama, I'm so confused.
Hey, this is so confusing.
Mama, the thing is, I just don't want to hurt Agu.
Hey, but since he has made his intentions known, I think you should give him a try.
Mama, considering everything Agu has done for you and I, what about him? This is not fair to him.
See, don't take it that way. I know Agunwa has been so nice to us. But this is your life we are talking about, your future we are talking about. You would date him, but date him secretly. Yes. You know, if Agunwa finds out, he will be so furious and aggressive. And I don't want it that way. So you have to keep it cool.
No, Mama. He promised to visit me in school this weekend. I didn't even tell him I was coming to the village. I just hope he forgives me, honestly.
Listen, life happens. Life happens. This is your life, your future that we are talking about. Okay?
Mama, I really love Agu.
What about J-Boy?
Well, the feeling is just there. Mama, the thing is, he promised to take me to go see his parents.
Really? Hey, that's good though. So very soon my daughter will be the wife of a wealthy son of a millionaire.
Unless I forget,
hey,
so ask me to give you this money.
Hey! Chimo! Hey! please, thank him for me. Oh? Thank him for me.
And that's not all. He promised to take you to the best hospital in the world, where they will take care of you once and for all. He said that this incessant sickness isn't too good for you, that you need to heal properly.
Oh, my God will bless him. My God will bless him. Oh, that's a good heart. He's a good man. Jim, you must bless him. Bless him for me. Hey.
I don't want to come here on Saturday, here you go get problem. And they use and go church on Sunday. Don't tell you finish. If I call you Saturday, I'll carry your machine and go.
Yeah, calm down.
Waiting.
Calm down sometimes, Ruth.
Don't say disappoints me last time.
It's okay. Hey, let's say forget. So that man later failed you. Hey, this world is wicked, though.
But you know what he wanted now? He wanted me to sleep with him. But as I refused now, he failed me. But don't worry, hand will touch him for this school.
Come on, how can somebody be that wicked? Even in final year, you fail someone. That's wickedness now. So, let's just go, Jerry. It's not... Wait.
How are you?
I'm fine. You look tired. Where are you coming from?
I've been carrying this heavy bag from the junction.
Oh, okay. You're welcome. What's inside?
Food stuff now. It's been some time now where I never come, so I went to the market and bought some food stuff for you. I don't want you to be hungry in school. And I don't want you to be looking at all these small boys so that when they offer you money, you tell them, say no, nature.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, Manicha, let me be going back to the hostel. Now I washed.
Yes.
Let me be going back.
Okay.
Chereo, Urugo, like you will see me and you will not greet me. Is it the university or what?
Hey. His Royal Highness, Agunwa 1. Ekene, I greet you.
Me no come mad. Mamu kina Mexico ni forum.
Meet me in the hostel.
Oh yeah, no. Oh, Manicham. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you. How is everybody at home?
Everybody's fine.
Obim, this thing looks really heavy. I don't think I can carry because I feel tired.
Carry Guinea. How can I allow you to carry this? Because show me the direction to your hostel. Let us go.
Wait, are you sleeping over?
No.
Okay.
You know I'm coming from a very far place. Omalicham. Is everything okay? You are acting one kind.
Yes, everything is okay.
Which way?
Me, I just want to pass this course. So this course is very difficult. If I just get C, I'll be very happy.
Why would you even wish yourself a C, for God's sake? Why not aim for a B? At least. Don't you know that having a C will drop your CGPA? C. For me, A is the goal. I don't care how difficult the course is. I will not settle for anything less.
Me, I know myself. That man has not been to our class for once. He will just come and give us course outline, then he will want us to pass. How?
My darling, like they always say, nothing good comes easy, right?
Yeah, I just want to pass because if I fail, my mother will not be happy with me.
That's the point. You have a lot of people who are counting on you. So you don't have any choice. You have to pass no matter what. As for me, I can't afford to disappoint my Obim, my Ago, my investment as he fondly calls me. No, I can't disappoint him.
Manicha, wait. Is there any other thing inside this your head apart from Obim, Odom, Agum?
What's wrong with you, Ruth?
Don't go and write Obim and Agum inside exam.
Trust me, my Obim has done so much for me. He goes out of his way for me. And you want me to do what? No, I can't afford to fail. It is not an option. Failure is not written there.
No problem, my own is just focus and read. Read and so you pass. Because every time now is Ago, investment. I can't wait. Do you even call Jay? Like, do you even bring Jay inside the picture?
What's wrong with this one? You're talking of people that have head. You're talking. See, my only prayer now is that God should just bless my Obim so that he can stand on his own 2 feet once again. May God continue to enrich him. May God uplift him. That's all I care about.
Say yes, amen to your prayer.
Amen. Amen.
No problem.
Hi, girls.
Yeah. Hi.
Why is your friend not talking? Is she all right?
Yeah, she's fine, but she just has some financial problems. Yes, monetary issue.
Oh, is that why she's moody? When it's fine, that is not a problem. Just a moment. You can have this.
If you don't get that nonsense off my face, if I spit on you. Take this nonsense off my face, Jerry. What's that?
What? Don't worry. She's not only having monetary issues, she's also having brain damage. Right? She's not okay.
When that is not a problem. I'm the only guy in this school that have every money that every guy would dream of having. By the way, my name is Sam, but you can call me Sam.
Big Sam Rich or whatever you call yourself, be very careful. Do I look like a child to you? Do I look like I'm hungry? Did I come to you that I'm hungry? Warn yourself. Warn yourself. The next time you see me along this road, avoid me. Do you understand me? If you ever talk to me again, I go change them for you, brother.
Sam, right? I call you Big Sam. Don't worry, I'll follow her and talk, yeah?
Let's be going to your hostel now, manager. Your phone is ringing.
It's Jay, pick. Huh? It's Jay now.
Who is Jay?
Can you stop? You don't want to pick.
Obim, the thing is, Jay, Agu is no one. Is my hostel coordinator. The truth is, he doesn't like to see men. No, I mean, men are not allowed into the female hostel because of some due to some recent insecurity that's been going on. And talking of a stranger, you know how it is. It's not like
me now a stranger, my investment.
No, I mean it's not me. I mean the coordinator. That
is still ringing.
Pick your call now. Omalicha, what is wrong with you? I'm sure you're not cheating on me.
What kind of talk is that one now?
Then pick your call now, your phone is ringing.
I don't want to pick it. It's nobody. Why would I pick nobody's call? Please, you people should leave me.
Jay is nobody.
Who is Jay?
He is no one.
Our hostel
coordinator.
Let us go and see him now. I can explain to him that you are my investment. I'm the one that is going to marry you. He should know that this is a lifetime partnership.
Yes.
I'm not a sneaky person in your hostel.
He's correct.
Obim,
Omalicha.
Obim.
What is happening?
Nothing.
What is going on here?
Please leave me alone now. I don't feel well. What's this now?
I don't make you cry, you. I'm just. Who is
this?
Now. Sorry, Omalicha.
My guy, tell me, how did you do it? How did you get that girl?
Do what? I don't understand.
Bro, that girl is the hardest girl to get in this campus. Like, literally, she is so hard not to be cracked.
Like, seriously, she really gave a lot of people a tough time.
Like,
how you take do and say, my guy?
What did you do for you now?
You know you guys are crazy. No, seriously, like, I don't understand. Like, yeah, she's special, but come on now, come on. You guys should include at least now, prayers and hard work, because I did lots of prayers.
Oga, shut the fuck up. You didn't do any prayers.
Okay, now grace, leave him now. Since no one believes in grace.
So, in a prayer point, you did do that thing.
I don't understand.
But wait, Ken, don't be too sure. I know my gender too well. If you be saying just to deceive our friend.
If your gender decides to want to deceive anybody, it should not be that girl that I have seen. I am picturing that any person that ends up with that girl, believe 100% loyalty.
That goes sleep.
After believe, bro. You know you believe. You are locked up now.
I don't even know how I accepted you guys as my friends. now see finish the cause this one. Now see finish the cause this nonsense now. Yeah. You don't throw your line and say she go load there. I say you know the girl. Is she your sister? No, how did you know about that one? This one I don't talk. Me, J-boy. Me.
Wait.
Yeah.
J-boy, my friend.
Tell me to to your deep down conscience now.
Okay.
See that girl now. Tell me say you don't love that girl like this now.
Alright, let's be honest, okay? This is the time for me to spill the beans, okay? Coming from my heart, okay? I love Omalicha so much.
Aww.
Yeah. I mean, right from the very first time I saw her, something in me was just excited. I don't know why. Then I got closer to her. I discovered that, wow, this girl is just one beautiful soul.
Aww.
And come to think of it, you know, this girl will make a lot
Love
of...
dog, come back.
No, allow me to... let me just...
Our friend is in love.
I am in my own world. Let me stay. This girl is just a good life partner. Woo.
Yeah.
What the hell? You know I can picture her right now.
Yeah, tell me.
Are you seriously?
Shit.
So you're picturing her in the other room. Picture in the other room.
Alright guys, so,
I shall will kill you.
I want to spend the rest of my life with Omalicha. Seriously. I'm saying this to you guys because like I discussed this with my very close to my mom, but then I'm saying this to you too. Like you're getting the news firsthand, you know? I want to spend the rest of my life with Omalicha. Like she'll you know, she'll just compliment me.
Ken, see love. Wait.
Who'll be your best man?
Come on, get up.
Wait, before best man say wait. So we have a wedding to plan like this as we go.
Girl, guess what?
You know I'm not really good at guessing, so what's
don't be such a spoil sport. Just guess.
You did your project.
No, far from it.
You broke up with that woman.
Huh? Miracle. No, they tire Jesus. What sort of stupid guess is that?
Because that's what is on my head.
And obviously your head is empty. Anyway, let me put you out of your misery. Jay proposed that we go see his parents. That he wants to take him to see his parents for introduction.
Oh, you see, Eddie, everything you've done to me, I forgive you. This news washed away all your iniquities. This is the best news you ever give to me as a friend and a sister. Yeah, I'm sorry for you. Well, don't wife to me.
You know what? Happy. No, I'm a bit worried. Sincerely, I don't think it's a good idea to go see his parents.
No trial. If na evil spirit reject them, no trial. You see, no just spoil something for you and me. No just trial. If na evil spirit they control you, push them back from the village. If they're from village, push them back, go jail. What's this now? You see all the dates where I don't plan now, don't finally bring out positive something now.
Why do I tell you things? Why do I tell you things? I will never learn, obviously. Ruth, you're dressed for school, you can go. Thank you.
I go why no go better for you. Because you don't chop my girlfriend brain, chop and say that you brainwash and come out the brain back for your house. This is the better plan. Hey! Dear mommy-in-law to me! I'm this mama. I'm going to be very happy to get this one. Okay, Diego. Let me go. The time was my lecture.
No, Malika.
Shimo.
No, Malika.
Eh?
Where's Malika?
Agunwa, you're hurting me, please.
I don't care. Where did you keep her?
I'm choking her. You will choke me to death.
Where did you keep her, Malika?
Oh, Malika. Agunwa, you know Malika is your wife now. She's your wife. Do you want to kill your mother-in-law?
My mother-in-law? You know that, yet you sold her to the highest bidder. After everything I did for you, especially you, you would have been long dead and buried and forgotten in this village if I did not come to your rescue. I made sure your surgery was successful and all you would pay me back with is sell her to the highest bidder. Is that it?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Where's Malika? Where's Malika? Where's Malika? Where's Malika?
Agunwa.
Where is Malika?
Agunwa. No. What is it now?
Where's Malika?
Leave her alone. She will die.
Let her die. Let her die.